I lost my job. My bank account cried. But my laptop smiled. So I opened my company's laptop and started a YouTube channel. Yeah, I should probably return that laptop first. The only problem? I had absolutely no idea what kind of videos to make. I didn't want to do facecam videos because I'm shy. Not talking to strangers shy. More like record the same 10-second clip 47 times and then delete every single one shy. So instead of showing my face, I spent days researching YouTube. I learned how the algorithm works, what RPM is, and how much creators make with 10,000 views, 100,000 views, and even 1,000,000 views. In my head, I was already planning how I'd spend my first YouTube paycheck. Turns out, you actually need viewers first. After all that research, I uploaded my very first video, and it performed exactly how I expected. 5 days later, 17 views. I'm pretty sure at least 10 of those were me, checking if the view count was broken. I've watched my own videos so many times, YouTube probably thinks I'm my biggest fan. Then, I noticed a bunch of editing mistakes. No problem, I'll just re-edit the video, make it better, and upload it again. Easy. Except CapCut had a different plan. The entire project crashed, completely. At that point, even my editing software had lost confidence in me. Now, I know almost nothing about editing, but I guess the only way to get better is to keep making videos. So here's where we are after 5 days. 60 impressions, an 11.7% click-through rate, 17 views, 0.6 hours of watch time, and my favorite statistic, not enough viewer data to show. Thanks, YouTube. Very encouraging. So today, I'm starting a challenge. I'm going to upload 100 videos on this channel. I'll document everything I learn about YouTube, how the algorithm actually works, how much YouTube really pays, what strategies work, what doesn't, and the biggest question of all, is starting a YouTube channel actually worth it, or should I have just updated my resume? Either way, we're going to find out together. So if you want to learn YouTube while watching me figure it out, one video at a time, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.